Thank you for joining us once again for the Trade of the Day here at TraderTV.Live. We made this one early, we hammered it, and we really think we should have made more money, and I'll talk about that in a second. But today's Micron, an amazing down 7%. At one point it was down almost 9+% there, Micron today. And why did we focus on Micron? Because Morgan Stanley cuts it from an equal weight to an underweight, or from an overweight to an underweight, one of those. They cut it down, downgrade today from Morgan Stanley on Micron. We saw they did the same thing to Space yesterday, Virgin Galactic, and we hammered that short. So we're just rinsing and repeating it. But the best part about Micron is not only does Morgan come with the hammer today, but look at this. This is the daily chart. This is going to be a three-parter. So we have the daily, we have the NASDAQ here, and then we have a 1 minute. So what we're going to show you right here is 72.50. Look at this. It's a multi-day low. So we hit it back there, then we hit it again in early July, and both times we held. Today we get negative news, so it starts to go down. And then even if you look over here, there's some consolidation back over in December. So Micron way back in from recent highs, not even too long ago, almost $100, now in the 70 range. So we like the downgrade today. We like the action from Morgan, and we look at Micron. And then what we've identified right here, this 72.50, this exact level. I love trading off 50s, evens, quarters. You already know that. So here we go. Look what happens in the pre-market. It's like, this is where I'm a little bit upset, because this was, and I'm not upset, it's on the sticky note, check that out as well. But this range right here, it was like screaming that this was setting up, because in the pre-market it wasn't doing much, not even that much volume. And look, it just kept bouncing off 72.50 here again. And as soon as that happens, it actually happens right off the open. When volume comes in, they have the same thought as us, man. Bang to the downside, so we get executed short right away. We get a great price, 72.49. I crossed down 10, 20 pennies, didn't matter. I wanted this short no matter what. Boom, it starts to go, and there's almost no green candles. I did put a bid here because I thought maybe we would get this trade in the pre-market. We don't. We get it when it opens up. Tried to cancel the order. This is on me. It's bad, but there's a 72 out. So we take 50 cents right away in the first maybe in the first 3 or 4 minutes. Take that 50-cent winner. But as soon as we do that, man, it cracks through 72 and basically just keeps going to the downside there. This is the problem, and this is why I'm a little bit upset, because it bounces around here at 71 a couple times, does retrace back to 71.25. So when it makes this move to the downside here, down all the way to 70, I say, you know what, I'm going to get out if we retrace back up. Unfortunately, it does do that. We get knocked out here just about 71 and change. I think it was 70, 75 was going to be my out on that little bottom there. I should have blown this up to see that a little bit better, but that's where we got out, 70, 75. And then look, this is the part that's really bad, because it comes all the way down to 69, okay? These are now long, so we go short to long. So we're flat. We've already taken out 50 cents, then we took out $1.50 right there, right? Now it comes to the downside. Now look back over here. Look at this daily chart again. This is 69 right here. Another support level, 69. So we say, you know what? Let's try it one more time. So now, all of a sudden, we flip the script, right? We go short here, 72. Then we go to 69. Buy. Look where we're starting to get out here. We buy first at 69.50 or so, then about 69.10 or 15. Start to get out on the upside. Our best out there right near VWAP, 69.80. So a lot of money made on the short, then almost just as much money made backside, because we did have more shares protecting that 69 level, right? What I wanted to show you about the NASDAQ, real simple as we wrap it up. Look at this. This is the NASDAQ open. We mark it with this blue circle here. NASDAQ open, okay? Then you get a monster crash on the NASDAQ down here, and that's sort of what started and helped out Micron. So as the NASDAQ's going down, so is Micron. So I think we were helped out a little bit here by the futures, and that's never a bad thing. When you're short, you do want the market to go down, especially if you're going to be in a name like Micron that is obviously very, very heavily on the tech side. So NASDAQ, good one today. The NASDAQ, I think, are we back to positive yet? Yeah, we're positive 0.3. So we'll have to watch Micron, see if this number gets a little bit better, but down 7% today. That's your trade of the day. Make sure you watch us every single day at 8:30. Subscribe to our watch list on TraderTV.Live. Hit that subscribe right now underneath, and make sure you watch us every single day. Me and Neil will review a trade for you every day at TraderTV.Live.